Hello everyone, welcome back to the Biochem classroom. Today we are going to explain the cell structure of living organisms. There is two broad categories of cell: unicellular cell and multicellular cell. Unicellular cell is usually found in the bacteria, while the multicellular cells are found in eukaryotic cells such as plant cells and animal cells. In this video, we are going to explain some parts of animal cell. Let's start on the membrane of the animal cell. Animal cell have the cell membrane, which is like a gate or a barrier of the cell, which controls the substance to enter and the other one to leave out of the cell. The cell membrane controls the cell membrane. It controls the substance moving in or moving out of the cell. Cell membrane, it is called phospholipid bilayer. This is because it is composed by special parts which is called phospholipid bilayers. Head and tail parts of the membrane. There is phosphate head which is called hydrophoric because of it is loving water. And there is tail part which is fatty acid which is called hydrophobic part. This part is not dissolved in water. That's why it is called hydrophobic part of the membrane. Cell membrane allow oxygen or glucose to pass through the membrane. Remember, the role of the cell membrane, it is the protection and the gatekeeper of the cell. Let's move to the other special part of the cell, nucleus of the cell. The nucleus of the cell, it is the control center of the cell, which give out the instruction of cell what cell going to do. The nucleus, it detects what cell going to do and what does not do it. The nucleus contains the DNA helix inside the cell. The nucleus contains the genetic formation of the cell, which give out the instruction of the cell. Also, nucleus have the nuclear envelope with the nuclear pores, where the messenger RNA or other substance moving out or moving into the nucleus pass through, such as the ribosome after synthesized from nucleolus, and messenger RNA after described from the DNA inside of the nucleus. And we will discuss on transcription in the next video. Okay, so let's talk about the ribosome. Ribosomes are the smallest organelles of the cell. Remember, and they are synthesized from nucleolus of the cell. Once they are from the nucleolus of the cell, they are attached to the rough endoplasmic reticulum, where the protein synthesis takes place. The ribosomes bind with messenger RNA to decode the information on messenger RNA and produce protein for future uses. Also, the ribosome, it is simply called protein factories, where the proteins are manufactured or synthesized. Finally, we are talking about endoplasmic reticulum. There are two types of endoplasmic reticula: rough endoplasmic reticula and smooth endoplasmic reticula. They are abbreviated for RER or SER, respectively. The rough ER, they have ribosome attached on it, while for smooth ER, there is no ribosome attached to it. Also, those types of endoplasmic reticula plays different role. such as large endoplasmic reticula. It is where the protein are synthesized, while for smooth endoplasmic reticula is where lipids are synthesized. We will continue to the Golgi apparatus in the next video. Please make sure subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.